Hi guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be trying out a recipe for the first time. This is Laura in the Kitchen's Greek marinated chicken recipe that she posted a little bit back. The link for the recipe will be down in the description below, so if you want to try it out, you can click there and give it a try for yourself. But today I wanted to take you guys along with me because, like I said, I've never tried this before. And Greek food, Mediterranean food, is just something I really crave in the summertime. I don't know if it's just the lemon in there, but it's just something that I really love this time of year. And throughout this video, I will be showing you guys the process of how it's made based on the instructions and kind of go through if they're really as simple or as easy to follow as instructed. And at the end of the video, I will give a review and a taste test to let you know if it's love at first bite. So if you want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I will get testing. My first step was to get all of my dry herbs pulverized in my mortar and pestle. So I just took all of those and basically just kind of went at it until it got to where they were like finer pieces. Go check out the recipe for all of the ingredients and the amounts, because this is really kind of a key point to this recipe, so you kind of need to do this. And then the next step was to grate 2 cloves of garlic and, I don't know, a half of an onion. Push the onion in as hard as you can into your grate so that it will go faster, so you don't cry like a baby like I did. And once that was all done, I got more dill weed and vinegar into my bowl with some Dijon mustard, my favorite, and my herb mixture and some olive oil before I mixed it all around with a juice of a lemon. And you can use dry dill in here. That's actually what the recipe calls for, but this works as well. And I made sure to spend a good amount of time to make sure that everything was as combined as I possibly could, especially the mustard. And then I cut up 2 chicken breasts. I just kind of got those as equally in half as I could. Put that in the marinade, and I covered it with clear wrap and popped it in my fridge for like 3-4 hours. And then my husband put them on the grill and just cooked them until they were at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so my husband just pulled these off the grill, so I'm gonna give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. Like, really excited. This smells so good. It was really juicy. Good job, Kevin. It's very herby. Not a ton of onion and garlic, but it's really nice. It's kind of like a back note of the onion and garlic, and the herbs are really there. I really think that a drizzling of lemon would be a really nice touch to this, but this is really good. My favorite thing about this, because I've been thinking about this since it started marinating, was that I had all the ingredients on hand. I didn't have to buy anything special. This wasn't like a special recipe. This is just a lot of flavor for just ingredients that are just easy to keep. And I mean, they're mostly herbs. I mean, we have onion and garlic all the time. And I think that this is really nice. So my husband didn't make them look super pretty because he didn't turn the grill up high enough, but these cooked really easily. I have nothing really else to say. It just is so flavorful, and the chicken's really juicy. And I like this just simple stuff that together just makes a lot of flavor. And I think that this would be a great thing to make for summertime. And I think process was super easy. I mean, other than the mortar and pestle, I think if you don't have one, you could probably use like a mini food processor, or even just a bigger one if you don't have that. But yeah, this was a super easy recipe, and I have no complaints. I give this a 10 out of 10. But we're going to go ahead and eat dinner here. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and testing out this recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you plan on making it yourself. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes tested. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.